So here we need to match the technology to its corresponding scientific principles. So let's begin. At first we have airplane. So the airplane works on the principle of Bernoulli's. So it's the Bernoulli's principle of fluid dynamics. Then we get computers. The corresponding scientific principle will be the digital logic of electronic circuits. Then we have electric generator. So the generator works on Faraday's law of induction. And we have genetic engineering. So that is the role of DNA in heredity. Hydroelectric power plant. So that's basically the conversion of gravitational potential energy into electrical energy. Lasers work on the principle of light amplification by population inversion. Then we have nuclear reactor, so that's fission of uranium by slow neutrons. We then have particle accelerators, so that's motion of charged particles in an electromagnetic field. We have production of ultra-high magnetic fields, so that is superconductivity. Rocket propulsion is mostly based on Newton's law of motion. Radio and television, so that is propagation of electromagnetic waves. And finally, steam engine works on the principles of thermodynamics.